Baby, I just want more. I want more. Gotta find it like a rock star. Yeah, that shit is looking rock hard. Yeah, rock hard. I will put her on the roster. She keeps on getting hotter and hotter.
Where are all your cameras at?
Oh, these ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then I put like a 360 up something.
Yeah, I thought I saw you like with the 360 on a checkpoint or something like that.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You local?
Yeah. I live kind of here in Lompoc.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, dude.
Yeah.
Just do it for fun or what?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Instagram and all that stuff?
Yeah, yeah.
Cool. Alright, dude, have a good one.
Later.
Later.
No.